Welcome. If you want to block ads on your HTC Zaire 20 Pro, for the first you have to move for the Play Store and tap on the search pool. And right now we have to get the Opera Mini browser. And in a few moments I'm going to show you how it works. Let's open our browser. Click continue. Accept all of the permission here. Click right here and check if the ad blocking is turned on. As you can see, in my case it is. So right now we can enter the website, maybe this one. And as you can see, here we got the notification that the first ads were blocked, and is thanks to the partnership with the AdBlock Plus. And here we get also the number of the ads blocked. And right now when we scroll down, we cannot find here any ads. So it's really cool, you don't have to connect any external application. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!